Florida Attorney Matt, Google Trends shows us that foreclosure and bankruptcy searches are off the charts right now. That is an indication of what's happening in the larger economy. So if you're feeling the economic strain, Google Trends tells us you're not alone. People are searching foreclosure, bankruptcy, credit card, and that means that we're in real pain in this economy, and it's only going to get much, much worse. My larger picture is be careful when you start throwing out mortgage payments, paying credit card payments. You need that money, that cash that you have from your bank account, in your bank account or in your hot pocket, not going off to a mortgage company, particularly when you're in the middle of what I really want to talk about, and this is servicing problems with mortgage companies in particular. You were current on your mortgage months ago, years ago maybe, you got into a forbearance, got into a modification, whatever else, and now you're trying to get back ahead, maybe get that payment on time again, but you can't because you're running into brick walls with the mortgage company. Really complicated. I could speak for hours about it, but what happened is after COVID, they never really got back online. The accounting never got lined back up so that the payments that you owe are correct according to the mortgage documents. And then just like the rest of us, the mortgage companies have problem getting their staff back in, the human beings, to be able to put this back together again. Here in Florida, we have the added problem of the hurricanes that came along, and the federal government, in many cases, requiring there to be forbearances because of national emergency. So what has produced is a perfect storm of servicing problems for your lender. What does that mean for you? That means that may be your lifeline. Why? Because under federal law, RESPA, they're required to service the loans properly, and they're not. So what do you need to do, dear citizen? You need to like and subscribe here so that I can give you the tool that we have developed, the AI tool, that will allow you to track this dispute with your servicer. You plug in when the loan was last on time, your mortgage document, and then we can figure out what your payment should have been on the one hand, so kind of getting that accounting straightened out. On the second hand, and this is frankly even more important, is tracking the servicer dispute under RESPA so that we can look at how you tried to communicate about the forbearance, the modification, the whatever, getting your payment back on time, how they didn't respond properly. And then in the course of this, that allows us to build together the complaint that we can file in advance. I think if you wait until they start filing foreclosure against you, that's going to be bad news. The timing on this is critical and important. We don't want to file it too early. We don't want to file it too late. We want to be like Goldilocks, get it filed just on time properly. So if you're experiencing financial trouble, you know the wolf is going to come knocking at that door eventually. Don't wait till the wolf knocks at the door. Like and subscribe. Let us be working with you now.